What's up, little buddy?
What's up? Hey, I have a challenge for you today.
Cool. What challenge do you have for me?
Do you know what today is?
Today is Saturday.
No, okay, it's Saturday, but what day is it?
Oh, it's March 14th, 2020.
And what day is that?
Saturday.
No! Okay. Try this. What do you get when you cut a pumpkin by its diameter?
You get pumpkin pie, of course.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and happy Pi Day! Today, we're going to solve the Pilish challenge, which is a simplified concept inspired by the Pilish, a peculiar type of constrained writing that uses all the known possible digits of pi. A potentially infinite text can be written allowing punctuation and a set of additional rules, that avoids long sequences of small digits, substituting them with words bigger than 9 letters and making so appear the composition more similar to a free verse poem. The rules of the challenge are quite simple. If a string contains more characters than the total quantity given by the sum of the pi digits, the unused characters are discarded, and you will use only those needed to form 15 words. If a string contains less characters than the total quantity given by the sum of the pi digits, you have to respect the sequence of the digits to obtain the words. If the letters contained in the string don't exactly match the number of digits, you must repeat the last letter until the word has the correct length. And, if the given string is empty, an empty string has to be returned.
The solution to this problem is as simple as pi. First, we initialize a string variable, named pi, that contains the first 15 digits of pi. Next, we instantiate a string builder, named str, that contains the value of the incoming string. Next, we instantiate an empty string builder, named sb, that will contain the results of this algorithm. If the incoming string is empty, the empty string is returned to the caller. For each character in the 15 digits of pi, its value is stored in a primitive character variable, named ch. Next, if the character is a decimal, the loop continues, essentially skipping the decimal point. Next, a primitive variable named len is initialized with the integer value of the character. If the length of the string is less than the value of the len variable, a while loop is initialized for execution until the length of the string is equal to the length of the len variable. Each iteration of the loop appends the last character of the string to the string itself. Upon completion of the while loop, or, if the length of the string was not less than the length of the len variable, a substring of the incoming string, starting at index 0, to the length of the len variable, is appended to the sb string builder, along with a trailing space. The substring is then discarded from the incoming string. If the incoming string is empty, the loop is broke. Upon completion of the loop, the string builder is converted to a string, trimmed, and returned to the caller.
I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like, share, and comment below.
Yes, and if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe, and click on that notification bell to receive a notification every Saturday when we upload new content.
Thank you for watching,
and we can't wait until we see you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?